Hello everyone, I'm Neo and welcome to part 2 of our Nimbus bot. Today we're going to be integrating Discord so we can have a Discord bot that can chat with us. First you're going to want to look up the developer portal, which you can do by looking it up on Google and then clicking on the link. If you're automatically logged into Discord, then it will automatically take you there. Go to new application and we're going to create our bot name. From here, we'll be able to choose our icon and change any details. Now that I've added all my details, I can go here to bot and I can also toggle this button here for public bot, completely optional though. And we'll want to toggle all three of these buttons. Now we will want to get our token. So you're going to want to click on this button called reset token and it'll create a token that you just copy and soon use to paste into our code. Now we're going to come back to our code from the first episode and we're going to import Discord. If you do not have Discord, what you can do is if your IDE allows you to, when you hover over, it'll ask you if you want to download. Or what you could also do, go to your terminal and then type pip install Discord and just press enter. Next, what we're going to define is our intent variable, which will be discord.intent.default. Then we'll do some more defining for our variable. Next, we're going to do our client variable, which will be client equals discord.client. Intents equals intent. If you do not define the intent part, it will not be able to send messages. Next, we'll do add client.event. Next, we're going to get rid of this entire part and rewrite it. Please note that you can change this to any kind of prefix you would like. I chose an exclamation mark just because many bots do not really use it. There we go. Apologies for forgetting this next for loop, but this is all the code. I will show you an alternate way to run your bot using Replit as well in this video, so stay tuned for that. Next, we're going to go back to our developer portal and we're going to go under our authentication tab and go to URL generator. Click on bot and then just select any of the options here. These are the roles I selected, and down here I will just copy the URL here and invite my bot to whatever server I choose to. Next, for our final piece of our code, we will do client.run with our token. Be sure not to share this with anybody. unless you're trusting it with someone, because this will allow you to access the bot anywhere remotely. So once you run the program, you will be able to see it online on your Discord server. Now we can talk with our bot because it is online. And it replies. It works just as if you were running it in your terminal. It may be a little bit weird, but you can always edit it for later. For this part, we'll be using Replit for encryption of the key so people cannot see it in case you have other people looking at the code. You can just copy and paste all the code here. Now for this part, we'll want to go over in Replit to secrets and see I already have a secret here, but we can make another one. We'll just call this one token and copy and paste our value here. Add new secret. This has all of our data here, and we can just type here as instructed, my secret equals os.environ, and we'll just put token. And then up here, you're going to want to import OS just to access the secrets. And then you're going to want to have the client run the variable. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment or suggestion down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.